YouTube is finally paying me, and in my first month of monetization, I made $2,266.82. But just 2 months ago, I was struggling to hit 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how long it took me to reach monetization, what caused my explosive growth to 15,000 subscribers in just 2 months, and what you can do to get there faster than I did. If you're just starting out or you've been grinding without results, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly what to avoid, what to focus on, and how to finally see growth. Alright, let's get into it. So how long did it take to monetize? Let's look at this graph. It took me 2 years and 101 videos uploaded to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 2 years of grinding. And then, out of nowhere, boom, my channel exploded. If you're struggling to grow, just remember, growth on YouTube is not linear. It compounds. If you stay consistent, one video could change everything. But what if you don't want to wait 2 years? If I were starting today, here are the 7 tips that I would use to monetize way faster than I did. Tip 1. Make videos people are searching for. This is the most important, most effective, and probably the most boring tip on the list. But it's the #1 reason why my channel blew up in just 2 months. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. If you want views, subscribers, monetization, the fastest way is to make videos about topics people are already searching for. Think about it. If you're desperately looking for an answer on YouTube and only one video exists on that topic, would you care if the editing was not great? If the thumbnail was not good? No, you would click and watch anyway. That's exactly what happened with my viral video on how Elon Musk learns fast. I noticed that people were already searching for Elon Musk, so high demand. People are interested in learning faster, a problem everybody has. I combined the two into one video and it took off. So do your research and find your version of that video. More on that later. #2, use fame jacking to get more views. When you're starting out, nobody knows you. And when you put your face on the thumbnail, it is not going to stop the scroll. Unless your topic is so unique that no one else has covered it. So how do you get more people to click? You leverage the faces of other people. I'm not sure who came up with the name, but this technique is called fame jacking. Jake Tran now has 1.8 million subscribers, and he used fame jacking for his second, third, fourth, and fifth videos when his channel was brand new. They were about Graham Stephan and MKBHD, 2 YouTubers who were already famous at the time. Think about it. Would a video of me talking about how I learn fast get more views than a video about how Elon Musk learns fast? Of course not. Tip 3. Make money with YouTube the smart way. If you want YouTube to be more than just a hobby, you need to treat it like a business. Because not all content pay the same. Finance, business, and tech, high ads rate, which equals more money per view. Vlogging and lifestyle content, low ads rate, which means you need way more views to earn the same amount as high ads rate content. That's why I chose my niche carefully. It's something I enjoy, but also pays well. So before you start grinding out videos, take a minute. Write down all the things you love talking about. Now check how much advertisers would actually pay for each of those topics. Here are 2 easy ways to find out. Google high CPM YouTube niches. #2, use YouTube ad revenue calculator. Plug in the username of creators in or close to your niche and see what they're making. Because if you're putting in the work anyway, why not make sure it actually pays? 4, package your videos like a product. If YouTube is your business, then your videos are your products. And just like any products, packaging matters. If your thumbnail and titles don't grab attention, nobody will click, no matter how great your video is. How to create better titles? Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. I use both to optimize your title for search. Find videos with high views, but where the channel has very low subscriber counts. This means YouTube is pushing those titles. Use the same title, but make a better video. How to create better thumbnails? Make them intriguing. Your thumbnail should spark curiosity. Mr. Beast is a master at this. Reverse engineer thumbnails from your favorite creators. Use Canva. It's simple, free, and powerful. 5. Master retention-based editing. Getting clicks is one thing. Keeping people watching until the end, that's what grows your channel. YouTube rewards watch time. If people leave too early, YouTube stops recommending your video, meaning no views, no growth, and no 4,000 watch hours. The best YouTubers use retention-based editing to keep viewers hooked. Cut the fluff, no long intros, no wasted words. Change visuals every 3 to 5 seconds. This keeps the brain engaged. Use pattern interrupts, memes, zoom-ins, text pops, sound effects, anything to break monotony. More watch time means more recommendation, means more subscribers. 6. Long form videos are greater than short form videos. You think shorts will make you monetize faster? No, shorts don't count towards the 4,000 watch hours that you need. They have a different metric. But worse, once you monetize, shorts pay almost nothing. They pay on average 1 to 6 cents per 1,000 views. Long forms, $3 to $6 on average per 1,000 views. If you want passive income, focus on long form content. At the end of the day, you have limited time and energy. Every minute spent on creating shorts could have been spent on high value long form content that actually pays. 7. Tell better stories. The best videos out there are structured like a story. If you can hook people in the first 30 seconds, they'll watch your video for longer. How to write better hooks? Promise something valuable. Ask open-ended questions. The viewer needs a reason to keep watching. Use curiosity gaps. Hint at something interesting without revealing it. Match your hook to your thumbnail and titles. If it doesn't match, it's just clickbait. Want to master storytelling? Google the PAS and ADA copywriting frameworks, or read Cashvertising. Find the link in the description. Bonus: does uploading more videos help you grow? If you can post 3 times a week, great. When starting out, it'll get you into the habit of creating videos. But more videos does not equal more subscribers. I tested this. When I had 500 subscribers, I compared my growth to another channel with the same number of subscribers. Here's the thing. They posted 19 videos in 1 month and got 11 subs at the time. I posted 4 videos in those same 30 days and I got 150 subs at the time. Why? Because I focused on videos people were actually searching for. This data is from TubeBuddy, by the way. So yes, be consistent, but don't just pump out videos for the sake of it. Consistency plus improvement equals to growth. If you've made it this far, you're serious about growing on YouTube. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build a community of people who want to grow their wealth and their freedom. And if you like this video, you're going to love this one right here. See you in the next one.